Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I own the water filter eStore and the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. After you've had your water softener for a few years, you may notice inside the brine tank that there's a black ring and there's some other black stuff along the sides. Yep, that's mold. We can see the mold stains around the outside and the black ring, and that's what we want to get rid of. And it's a good idea to remove that, to clean that out so you get a nice fresh start. Now there's a couple different kinds of water softeners. There's a post-fill water softener like this Clack valve here, which means there's water in with the salt to make the brine. Or there's a pre-fill water softener. So if you see there's no water in with the salt, that means it's a pre-fill. So those ones are a little bit easier to clean out. Basically you just remove the salt, you clean inside the brine tank, and you can use dishwashing soap, or if the mold stains are quite significant, you can use something like this, the Ultimate Mold Eliminator, and then you refill it with salt and you're good to go. With a post-fill one like this, you have to remove the water first. So you can either use a shop vac, or if you want to do it a little bit easier and eliminate the step of the shop vac, you can actually put it into a regen cycle, and with the brine cycle it'll draw the water out of the unit itself, and that'll make it a little bit easier. We can put this water softener into regen mode just by holding down the regen button for 5 seconds. And the first stage that it goes into is the backwash cycle. And once it starts counting down, once the cycle's actually begun, the timing, then we can advance to the next cycle. So if we press the button again, we go into the brine cycle. And again, once it starts counting down, it's going to suck all the water out of the brine tank, and it makes it a lot easier to clean. So like I say, either you can do it this way or you can use a shop vac. Then when you're done, when it's gone through the cycle, you can advance it through the rest of the cycles. Again, once it starts counting down, that's when you can advance it to the next one. And then take it back to home. But for this particular process, we want to make sure we leave it on that brine cycle for the full 60 minutes, and that way it'll draw all the water out and make it a lot easier to clean out the brine tank. So once you've done that, again, you need to clean it out, put new salt in. With the post-fill ones, you're going to have to add 3 gallons of water, set it to regenerate that night, and it'll go through the whole process, clean itself, and you'll be back 100% in service again the next day. Our newly cleaned brine tank topped up with salt and water. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified about any new videos that become available on this channel. If you want to get some more information, you can go to our website, either thewaterstoremidland.com or thewaterfiltereStore.com. And again, I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.